We are in Chicago, here at the building that used to be the Belmont Sheffield Trust and Savings Bank. It's been converted into apartments. Not sure who installed these. Coming up?
Come up?
Yeah, of course. Sorry.
I don't want to interfere with your movie, man.
Oh, no worries. What floor? 5. I just like buildings and elevators and.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Especially really old ones like this?
Yes, that's of course. Chicago's full of them, so.
Yeah.
You have a good one.
Hey, you too.
Mid-American installed it. Of course, it's got those really bright lights that make it kind of hard for the camera to get a good view of the indicator, or else you get that glare. It's a funky sounding door operator. Shred 24/7. Whoa, hold on. Don't. Oh, I guess only this one comes down here.